I'm going to start building my new computer this year. I got this box from Scan. I will link this below because I have spent thousands of pounds on that website. So link description, good service. So this box reveals part of my upgrade I'm doing to the Gigabyte. This will be a multiple parts. I do apologize. I'm not doing one because not all the stuff I've ordered has arrived. And also, I'm not sure I've got all the parts. Because you see, I've been toying this build for the since 2023. It's now 2024. So I have been working on this build in the background, looking at all the parts, seeing what I wanted, got what I wanted, and then New Year's Eve, I'll tell you how long ago, because I don't know when this video is going up live, there was a bundle deal and I couldn't refuse it. So this is what is bundle deals, and I got a few other bits involved. So I wish I had my overshot, but that's okay. So let's unbox it. So first of all, I got myself an AMD AMD 9700X as my processor. We'll speak about that in a moment. Motherboard, I got an ASUS Master X7E. We'll speak about that in a moment. Just quick unboxing. I got Vengeance DDR5 64 gigs 600 megahertz. Speak about it in a moment. I also got my game bootable drive. And what else did they give me? Heatsink. We give you lots of free stuff. Nocturne 360. And that's all. So let's get rid of that. So first of all, let's speak about the motherboard because that's the most important thing. So this is ASUS Master gaming motherboard. So this is AMD 5. So this is good. So what do you get? Wow, this is a lovely motherboard. Oh, it's heavy. Do I have my skills? I do have my skills. Ooh. Sorry. I've got my scales here. So how much does this motherboard weigh? Units. Sure. And of course it doesn't work. There we go. This was the cheapest scales ever, and I'm regretting. If you're going to buy something, buy something. Okay. Not working. I'll go Google it. Google's my friend. So, there's a motherboard. What else do you get in this box? Documentation. A sticker. RGB cable. Not lightning board. Wi-Fi card, good. Oh, this is good. So it's got like this PCIe. So you put all the bars in there and then you plug that straight in the motherboard. That's good. Ties off, good. SATA right-hand drive. More RGB. SATA with the hard drive and keyboard ties. I have no idea what that is. No idea. And some kind of screw. Okay. Perfect. let's leave that to the side. So, why did I pick this motherboard? Well, it was part of the bundle. I was looking at I think it was ASUS, not the Corsair, the Strix card. The Strix card for a while. And then this was here, and then I quickly... Wow, so it's got this armor cover, so that's good. Weighs a lot. I wish my skills was working. Oh, it works now. Sweet. So it weighs... look at it. No, it's too big. Motherboard's too big. Let's use this as our test bench. Oh, let's use the bag as a test bench. Don't know what's wrong with that. So, it's got PCIe 5 Gen cards. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 M.2s. It's got 4 PCI lane. It's got 6 SATA. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fans, headers. What is that? ASUS mouse. Oh, audio. It's got 2 USBs, 2 USB 3s. It's got this power cable here and a source code. So these are all good power options. Front I/O. It's got tons of USBs. Tons. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, 8, 10, and 2 USB-Cs. All with different speeds, and D-sub, HDMI, and audio, and Wi-Fi. Cool. And it's got USB-C. So if your case has USB-C, which my case does, it can plug strictly in. And of course, it's got a big power, because this thing will overclock like quite well. And it's got also PCIe 16, and this is your PCIe 4. So that's good. And then, of course, there's a socket. What I'm checking is if there's any bent pins. So there's no bent pins, so that's good. So that's just a quick overall of that motherboard. So that's nice. I like this. Okay, so and it's got this button here that you can release the graphics card, which is quite a big graphics card can take. And of course, there's another manual and stickers. It's cool. So that's the motherboard. Now, let's speak about the memory. Now, this is overkill, but I do like overkill. This build is going to last me 5 years, possibly. Who knows at my rate? I buy computers happily. So this is a DDR5 memory kit, 64 gigs, dual cardinal, DDR5. Now, does it have the timings? No, it doesn't have the timings. But it's AMD. So basically, if you got an AMD system, which I do, it's been tailored to AMD, and you also get one for Intel. So please careful if you buy memory make sure you buy the right kit for your processor. Then you can overclock it, because it's good. So why did I buy 64? It was partly, I was looking at 32 gigs, but this was a bundle. 64 gigs, I'm thinking, I've never had 64 gigs. I do a lot of, as you know, I do a lot of gaming. I do a lot of gaming. I do all my edits on my video, so I do production rate. Google Chrome eats up. I have maxed off my 32 gigs once. I had like loads of things open because they all do different tasks. So that's nice. So that would be a good kit. And of course, my processor. The AMD 97900X with 12 cores and 24 threads. Max boost of 5.5 gigahertz. Now I'm keeping the cooling. No, it's not part of this unboxing. That's going to be in another video. So you can you can either watch that now, or because I'm keeping that quite quiet how I'm doing it. So why did I pick this? Now I also do, of course, I do my own edits. I also do, what else does the process? Sometimes I stream, which I don't do now. I wouldn't get back to it, but I'm just too busy doing other stuff. So I could have got the 3D cache, but this is, I have an AMD 9500X in my old system, in my current size system right now. This will be my new system. And so this will be just, I'm used to those amount of cores and threads. I could have gone 950X, but that was a lot more money. And the 3D is, I'm happy with my, I like everything separate, and this is a nice pen for this motherboard. But there's no point going for this motherboard if you're not going to pair it off with some high-end stuff, because this is a very high-end, because this is going to last me 5 years. And then also when I was in there, I actually got myself, so my boot drive is, I don't know where my boot drive is. No idea. So this is a 4 terabyte M6 500 Corsair. This may look like a Corsair. I'm telling you now, this is not Corsair. I paid my own money for this. So this looks really nice. This is just for my game library now. 4 terabytes. That's a lot for games. They're getting bigger. This is forward syncing. Please forward sync when you buy storage. I have a boot drive that's 2 terabytes. That's also Corsair. This is not a sponsor. I paid my own money for this. So yeah, so it's a nice board, a nice drive. I do have the 2 terabytes on it, so who knows where it is. So this is my upgrade for the next 5 years. Next one will be, what's the next part? Oh, we're going to boot it up. So I've got some sketchy way I'm going to keep this cool. So bear with me how I do it, but we're just going to see if it boosts, because we'll talk about that in that video. So I don't have the parts to boot it now. I will partly build it as well and leave it built. So, and thanks for this unboxing. This was just a quick overview on how I from this care package from Scan. Please link description and below where you find the link. They do anything PC components. There's now an ad video. They do gaming, they do anything PC components. Go there, please, because they have a good customer service. I've had a few issues with my old processor. It wasn't working, wasn't booting. I'm not sure what was wrong, so it might be defective to product, but the RM on that website was very good, and they managed to give me a new one. And I'm so happy they did, because it's still working to this day. And please visit them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Good.